ChatGPT is a large-scale language model developed by OpenAI that uses deep learning techniques to understand natural language and generate human-like responses to a wide range of queries. It is one of the most advanced chatbots available today, capable of engaging in intelligent and informative conversations with users on a variety of topics. ChatGPT is trained on a massive amount of text data and has the ability to generate text that is fluent, relevant, and contextually appropriate. It can be used for a wide range of applications, including customer service, personal assistance, and educational platforms. In summary, ChatGPT is an artificial intelligence-based conversational agent that uses natural language processing and deep learning techniques to generate human-like responses to user queries. Google Search and Bing, on the other hand, are search engines that allow users to find web pages, images, videos, and other content on the internet based on their queries. Unlike ChatGPT, these search engines don't provide conversational responses but instead provide a list of relevant websites based on their ranking algorithms. Google is the most popular search engine and has a wider range of features like Google Maps, Google News, and Google Shopping. Bing is a search engine developed by Microsoft and it's known for its unique features such as the Bing Image Widget and Bing Visual Search. In summary, ChatGPT is a conversational language model while Google Search and Bing are search engines used to find information on the internet. The development of ChatGPT and other similar artificial intelligence technologies has raised concerns about potential job loss, as machines become increasingly capable of performing tasks that were previously done by humans. While it is true that ChatGPT can be used to automate certain types of jobs, such as customer service or chat support, it is important to note that the technology is still in its early stages and has limitations. ChatGPT and other language models are currently best suited for handling simple and routine tasks, such as answering frequently asked questions or providing basic information. However, they are not yet capable of replacing human intuition, creativity, and empathy in more complex and nuanced interactions. Furthermore, while it is possible that some jobs may be affected by the development of ChatGPT, it is also true that the technology has the potential to create new job opportunities in fields such as machine learning, data analysis, and software development. In summary, while there is a potential for ChatGPT and similar technologies to impact certain jobs, it is important to view these developments in a larger context and consider the potential for new opportunities and the need for human input in complex tasks. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.